Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when Hello Neighbor 2 is not launching from Xbox app, or if the game is not launching from Steam, or if you are facing crashing, freezing, black screen or low FPS issue on your Windows computer. Now I have provided separate steps for Xbox Game Pass users. So if you have installed the game from Xbox app or from Microsoft Store, you can follow these steps. So I provided separate steps. So, and these steps can be followed wherever applicable. Now the first step is to restart your computer. Simply restart your computer once, and after the system restart, launch the game. Sometimes a simple restart takes care of the problem. Next step is to allow the game exe file to your antivirus program. So if you have any third party antivirus, make sure that you allow the game exe file to your antivirus program. Now if you're using Windows security, then open Windows settings. Now if you have Windows 11, on the left hand side over here you will find privacy and security. In Windows 10 it's only privacy. In Windows 11 you will have privacy and security. Click on it. In Windows 10 click on update and security, and then click on Windows security, and then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Now click on allow an app through control folder access. Click on yes to allow. Now click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. If the game is installed in C drive, open C drive, program files x86, open the Steam folder, open the Steam apps folder, open the common folder. Over here you will find neighbor 2 folder. In my case the game is installed in E drive, so open the Steam library folder, Steam apps common, and find hello neighbor 2 game folder, and then select this exe file and then click on open. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. This time open hello neighbor 2 folder, binaries folder, win64. Select this exe file. Now click on open. Now open control panel. So type in control panel in Windows search box and then click on control panel. Now click on system and security. Now click on Windows Defender firewall. Now click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender firewall. Now click on change settings on the top. Now click on allow another app. Now click on browse. Again go to the game installation folder. So open the Steam folder, Steam apps common, open the hello neighbor 2 folder, select this exe file. Now click on open. Now click on add. In my case the game is already added. Now click on browse. Again open this hello neighbor 2, binaries win64, select this exe. Now click on open. Now click on add. Now once the game is added over here, now click on OK on the bottom. Now launch the game. Now the next step is to do a clean installation of your graphics driver. So if you have Nvidia card, go to Nvidia website. If you have AMD card, go to AMD website. I'm showing for Nvidia. Go to Nvidia website, select your graphic card from the list. Make sure that you select your graphic card over here and select the right operating system. So if you have Windows 11, select Windows 11. If you have Windows 10, select Windows 10. Then click on start search. Now scroll down. Over here you can see this is the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. So install this GeForce Game Ready driver. Right now the driver version is 526.98. This is the latest one right now. So whichever is latest, click on get download, and then again click on download now. Now let the download complete. Once the download is complete, run the exe file. Then you will see the screen. Click on agree and continue, and then put a check on the box which says custom, and then click on next. Then again put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation. Make sure that you put a check over here first and then click on next and let the installation complete. Now once the installation is complete, make sure that you restart your computer. Now the next step is for laptop users with dual graphic card. Make sure that you run the game on dedicated graphic card. Now for this, type in graphics settings in Windows search box and then click on graphics settings. Now click on browse and then go to the game installation folder once again. Open the game folder, select this exe file. Now click on add. Now once the game is added over here, click on options, select high performance. Now click on save. Again click on browse and then open hello neighbor 2 binaries win64, select this exe file. Now click on open, add. Now once the game is added over here, now click on options, select high performance, now click on save. Now launch the game. Next step is to run the game as an administrator from the game installation folder. So make a right click on the game, select manage, then click on browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Make a right click over here and then select properties, go to compatibility, and then put a check on the box which says run this program as an administrator. Then click on apply, click on OK. Open hello neighbor 2 folder, binaries folder, win64. Make a right click on this exe file. Now click on properties, go to compatibility, and then again put a check on the box which says run this program as an administrator. Then click on apply, click on OK, and then try launching the game from here. So make a double click over here and try launching the game from here, or you can try launching the game from using this exe file. So make a double click and then try launching the game. Next step is to install Visual C++ file. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can see Visual Studio 2015, 17, 19 and 22. So download x86 file first. So download this x86 file. Now run this exe file. Now click on repair. If you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install option, click on install. Click on yes to allow and let the installation complete. Now download x64 version. Download this file. Again run this exe file. Again, if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install option, click on install. Click on yes to allow. And make sure both the installation are complete. Now once both the installation are complete, make sure that you restart your computer. So you will see a restart option over here. Click on restart. After the system restart, launch the game. Now the next step is to install media feature pack. So if you're using N version of Windows, then install media feature pack. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Over here you can see Windows 10 N edition. So if you have Windows 10 N edition, open Windows settings, then go to apps, and then click on optional features. Click on it and then click on add a feature. Over here type in media feature pack. So type in media feature pack. I don't have Windows 10 N edition, I have Windows 10 Home. So if you have Windows 10 N edition, when you type in media feature pack, you will see media feature pack over here. Put a check on the box and then click on install. After the install, restart your computer and then launch the game. If you have Windows 11 N edition, then again open settings, go to apps or installed apps, go to apps and then click on optional features, click on view features, and then type in media feature pack, install it, restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to disable Steam overlay. So for this, go to Steam, make a right click on the game, select properties, uncheck the box which says enable the Steam overlay while in game. Also close all the overlay applications. So if you have Discord running, close Discord. If you have GeForce Experience running, close GeForce Experience. So if you have AMD overlay, turn it off. So close all the overlay application. Also close all the overclocking applications. So if you have MSI Afterburner running, close MSI Afterburner. If you have Riva Tuner running, close Riva Tuner. So close all the overclocking application. Also perform clean boot. To perform clean boot, type in system configuration in Windows search box and then click on system configuration. Go to the services tab and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services. Make sure that you put a check over here first and then click on disable all and then click on apply, click on OK. You will see a restart option. Restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to update Windows to the latest version. This is very important. So go to Windows settings, go to update and security or Windows update, then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed, restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to verify the game files. For this, make a right click on the game, select properties, go to the local files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. After the verification, launch the game. Next step is to try window mode. If you are able to launch the game, try window mode and lower down graphics settings. So launch the game first. Now once you launch the game, go to settings and then go to display first. Select window mode over here and then switch to window mode. Also lower down resolution. So if this is set to 4K, you can try 1920 into 1080p, or you can even lower down more. Now for UI scale, you can select small or normal. VSync, turn it off and then check. Now apply the settings and then go to graphics this time. Now if quality preset is set to very high, you can select high, or you can even go for medium, or you can even try low, and then apply the settings, and now check the performance. Now the next step is to disconnect multiple monitors. So try launching the game on single monitor. Also unplug all the USB devices which you are not using. So if you have these devices connected, disconnect it and then launch the game. Now also if you have these software running, close these software and then launch the game. Also if you have undervolted your computer, remove the undervolt and then launch the game. Also update the system BIOS. So go to your system manufacturer website. So if you have a Dell computer, go to Dell website. If you have a Lenovo computer, go to Lenovo website. If you have HP computer, go to HP website. So go to your system manufacturer website, select your model number and find the latest BIOS and update your system BIOS. Now in case of laptop, before you update the BIOS, make sure the battery is more than 10% on your computer and the AC adapter, the charger, is connected to the computer. Then update the system BIOS. During the BIOS update, your system will restart, and during the BIOS update, do not unplug the power cable. Let the BIOS update complete, then log into your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to uninstall and reinstall the game to different drive. So first of all, uninstall the game. After you uninstall, go to the game installation folder, delete the game folder, restart your computer and then reinstall the game to different drives. So if you have another SSD or HDD, try installing the game to different drive and then check. Now next steps are for Xbox Game Pass user. So first of all, make sure date, time zone and region is correct on your computer. So on the bottom right over here, you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time. Click on adjust date and time. And then make sure set time automatically and set time zone automatically. Both are turned on. And then click on sync now. Make sure that you click on sync now and then go to language and region and make sure right country is selected over here. Next step is to make sure that you are logged in with same account on Microsoft Store and with same account on Xbox app. So open Microsoft Store on your computer. On the top right over here, you can see a profile icon. Click on it, then click on sign on. Click on sign in. Select the right account and then click on continue. Make sure that you select the right account which has the game, which has the Xbox Game Pass subscription. And then once you select the account, it will be asking for PIN or password. Enter your PIN or password over here. Once logged in, go to Xbox app, click on the profile icon over here and then click on sign out. Now again click on sign in and make sure that you select the same account which you have selected on Microsoft Store. So you have to select the same account over here, the same account which you have selected on Microsoft Store. So select the same account. Now once logged in, now you can launch the game. Next step is to verify and repair. For this, go to Xbox app. Over here you can see Hello Neighbor 2. Click on this three dot, or you can simply make a right click, then click on manage and then go to files and then click on verify and repair. And after the verification, launch the game. Next step is to create a desktop shortcut and launch the game as an administrator. So go to Hello Neighbor, make a right click and then click on create desktop shortcut. Now once you did that, now go to desktop. Over here you can see Hello Neighbor 2 shortcut, make a right click and then click on run as administrator. So over here you can see run as administrator. So try running the game as an administrator. Still you are facing the problem, then uninstall and reinstall gaming services. For this, copy this link, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on Run as Administrator. Make sure that you're opening PowerShell as an administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Now paste the command over here. Paste the command over here. Hit the enter key. This will remove the gaming services, uninstall the gaming services. Now on the same window, copy the second command. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will open Microsoft Store and you will see install option to install gaming services. So click on get or install and let the download complete. Click on yes to allow. And once the download is complete, now launch the game. Next step is to run this PowerShell command. This command is also provided in the video description. So copy this. Again type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Now paste the command over here. Hit the enter key. Now this will install all the Windows default apps. Now this process will take some time. And during this process, you will see some errors in red color. So if you see any kind of error in red color, just ignore it and let the process complete. So when it's doing this, you will see some errors in red color like this. Just ignore it, let the process complete. Once done, now restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to run the game on dedicated graphic card. Again, type in graphics settings in Windows search box and then click on graphics settings over here. Now over here, select Microsoft Store app and then click on select an app and find Hello Neighbor 2 in the list. Over here you can see Hello Neighbor 2 selected. Now click on add. Now once the game is added over here, now click on options. Select high performance. Now click on save. Now launch the game. Next step is to install all updates in Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store on your computer. On the bottom left here you can see library option. Click on library. And over here on the top you will see get update option. So click on get updates. Once all the updates are installed, now restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to repair or reset the game. So open Windows settings, click on apps and features, and then you will click on apps and feature or Windows 11. You might see install apps. Now in the search box type in Hello Neighbor 2. Click on the game, click on advanced option. In Windows 11, in front of it you will see three dots. Click on the three dots, then click on advanced option. And now over here you will see the repair option. Click on repair. And after the repair, launch the game. If that does not resolve the problem, click on reset. Now once the reset is done, you can launch the game. Now after the reset, when you open Xbox app, when you try to launch the game from Xbox app, so after the reset, when you open Xbox app and over here you might see the install option. Instead of play you might see install. So in that case, close Xbox app. So just quit Xbox app and then launch the Xbox app once again, and then you should be able to see play and then launch the game. Next step is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So if nothing works, you can simply uninstall the game. After the uninstall, restart your computer and then reinstall the game to different drive and then check. So one of the steps should help you to get the game running on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.